Now, a group of 4 young British computer hackers brought chaos to firms and public institutions, costing workers jobs and even threatening lives.
Attack. It's had tens of thousands of computers showing error messages like the screen here. This was the screen at the UK's National Health Service demanding ransom to unlock the files.
Well, let's get up to speed with all of this. Our Nina Dos Santos is following the impact of the hacking.
29 states, 481 million internet users. It must be secure. Someone, somewhere, attacking you, and you don't even know. Hackers are now smarter, and they are everywhere. The weakest link in the information security is human. Maybe your mobile phone, computer, or maybe your smartwatch, sniffing your data. The hackers are seeking any information that can help them to hack you. Your computer name, IP address, your password, your account details. Hacking is possible anytime. Will you be ready?